Hello everyone. Hindi po ako mahilig mag-share ng opinion ko sa social media. Pero nung nakita ko kasi ito, honestly, medyo natawa ako kasi I cannot imagine anyone saying na hindi daw SB19 ang nagpakilala sa P-pop internationally. No? Kasi halimbawa, kami nga, yung mga nasa age group ko na 50s, na hindi man mahilig talaga sa P-pop, let alone K-pop, no? Hindi ako masyado talaga familiar, no? Yun nakaabot sa audience na katulad ko. No, madami kaming mga silent fans, yung mga titas of SB19 who really admire them even without knowing their background, ha. Yung galing pa lang, yung sheer galing pa lang nila sa yung level of performance, no? Nabibilib na kami talaga sa kanila. They are really remarkable. Yun nga yung number one, naabot nga nila, natap nila yung market na hindi man familiar with K-pop and we were turned into fans. Number two, yung story kasi nila is very inspiring. Siguro yung nagsulat nito, hindi siya familiar about the background, pero after ko mapanood yung SB19 a couple of years ago sa Binibini, from then on talagang nagbasa ako. Tinignan ko sa social media, I watched mga videos, post about them, and alam ko yung parang after 4 years, they wanted to give up, no? From that time kasi na wala talagang nakikinig sa kanila, nanonood, then they had this small group of loyal fans who really stuck with them, baga walang iwanan. Tapos, dinefend pa nila yung work nila. They had to defend their work in front of media. No, yung mga very questions na medyo masakit, no? Masakit din sagutin. And they were very honest about it, no? Yung mga sagot nila. Very honest. That's also, again, that's one thing that I like about them, no? Very honest. Walang echo-echo. No beating around the bush, diba? They just say what they feel. So, yung 4 years na yan, and then yung ginreel sila ng media, and then they still tried, and what they are now, that's very admirable. Baliwala kayo. Sa trabaho din namin, no, mahirap, no? Sa lahat naman ng industriya, it's really hard to be remarkable, no? Yung umabot sa level na ganon. Mahirap talaga. And then, also, let me just okay, sorry, may tumawag. Pero teka, where was I? Okay, bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea about yung pagiging benchmark. Kasi may nag-comment na rin dun sa isang post ko na ang dami daw naninira sa kanila, parang ganyan, no? Sabi ko, not to worry, kasi ang SB19 is already a benchmark. When you say one thing is a benchmark, ano na yan? Yan yung parang OG. Ito yung parang magiging point of comparison ng anything that comes after them. Minsan nga, kahit before them diba? If they have received, received this level of success already, na parang hindi na sila makukumpara sa iba, but be considered as the original or the OG, na sila lang, yun yung benchmark. So, yung SB19 is the benchmark. And kapag benchmark ka talaga, may tendency na may mga dadating na iba, and yung ibang tao, not them, no, not the group, but the other people will try to compare them with the benchmark. Tapos they will say things na hindi, mas okay to, ganyan, di ba? Laging ganun, laging kailangan kasi point of comparison ang benchmark. Okay? So I'm not saying na parang dapat tignan ito as masama, no? Pero it's just is. It's the way it is talaga. Kapag may benchmark, ang tendency talaga is kailangan ma-compare doon para makita kung ano yung heights na naabot nung iba. Okay, no offense ha sa mga ibang grupo ha. Ano lang naman ito, it's a fact, and it's not the group per se again, but maybe some people around them who really want to make a point na may narating na yung grupong to, di ba? But again, friends ha, SB19 is a benchmark. Alright? But it doesn't close the door for other groups to come in. Okay po? So, pag may magagaling na ibang grupo din, I think we should also welcome them naman. Huwag sirain. Kasi, I'm sure yung mga members of the SB19 wouldn't want that to happen also. Na because of them, magkakaroon ng mga conflicts or issues. Kasi I believe na mababait talaga sila and they have matured into the industry already enough to know what is going on and yung possibilities na pwedeng mangyari dahil nga nauna sila. In any case, ganito na lang. Kung sino nagko-comment ng ganon, o sige, if you think na hindi yung SB19 yung unang nag-popularize ng P-pop, sino? Hindi kasi, para ano lang, di ba? Yung una. Kasi, kung halimbawa, parang comparing achievements na lang, di ba? And, kung halimbawa, kahit ano pang grupo yung pumasok, aminin na lang din, no? Which is a fact, maaminin naman that kahit papano, kaya nga nabuo yung grupo is because they were inspired or motivated by the popularity of SB19. Alright? Wala akong inaano ha. I'm just trying to explain lang para yung baka makwel ng konti yung negativity kasi it really doesn't help, no? Really doesn't help. Pagka masyadong nagiging negative yung tingin nyo about yung sa P-pop, no? Huwag tayo mag-compare kasi kung puro Pinoy din naman po, magsuportahan na lang tayo. 'Di ba? Kung may benchmark, may benchmark. Kung may ibang sikat na grupo, may ibang sikat na grupo. 'Di ba? That's the way things should be. Ganun na lang po. Kasi that way, mas magaang aangat lahat. Alright? Walang hilahan pababa. O, magsawa na tayo sa ganun, bakya na yun. Okay po? Yun lang po. Basta support Pinoy always. And please, no? Wag yun ng wag na mag-spread ng negativity kasi andyan na. You know? Yan na sila eh. Yung puno na madaming bunga, binabato talaga, pero solid yung puno. Okay po. Thank you. Bye-bye everyone and God bless us all.
Okay, 18, I have already watched the full video and I really respect her and the things she said about SB19, all the benchmark and achievements and a lot of people don't like P-pop but they started watching and following P-pop because of SB19. I mean, these are true words. I had no idea about P-pop like 4 years ago. But suddenly SB19 came to my life and now I'm following P-pop every single day. I'm following SB19 every single day. So of course, it's because of SB19. These things are happening because of SB19 and the things they are doing, it's really amazing. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of Filipino people never thought about these things. But SB19 breaking barriers, SB19 breaking a lot of records, a lot of things. They are doing everything possible and yeah, they will go higher and higher.